Today, we're going to fold a dart size paper airplane like the one you see here. The supplies that you will need is just one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper sitting in front of you, portrait or vertical. First, we need to determine the center mark of the paper, and we're going to do that with a very precise, easily alignment from each corner along the sides and the edges, making sure that it's aligned perfectly. Once you have it aligned, press out your center. You may then return the paper to its original state, vertically in front of you. Our second step is to take each corner top of the plane and fold it down to align to that center fold line. But what we want to do is very precisely do one side at a time, making sure that our top center indicator and our bottom corner of that triangle are aligned, that center mark. Fold that first triangle and then do the same thing to the other side. So your finished product at this point should look like this. Now we're going to take each side and fold inward, aligning that point and aligning our fold down that center line. So very carefully making sure my nose or tip of my plane is very straight. I'm going to crease out that fold. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. You may have to push that center tip and hold down that first triangle if you need to. Now, once those two are done, this is what your plane should look like at this time. Now what we're going to do is fold it back in half the way it was originally when we folded our first initial fold line to find center. So I'm just going to take the plane, fold it in half, making sure that each side of my craft is alignment all the way to the tip, pressing out my tip very carefully. Now it's time to make the wings. From the tail of the craft at the top corner, take that area and bring it all the way down to the bottom center of the plane. Align the corners, align the edges, hold and crease. Flip your plane over. Again, top, outside, corner, fold down to the bottom corner or the very tail of the craft. Align your edges. Crease your folds. And now you've completed your dart style paper airplane. It's time to fly.